Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively late at night. First, prepare your environment by finding a quiet, well-lit area free from distractions like your phone or television. Gather all your books, notes, and supplies so you won't need to interrupt your flow. Setting clear, realistic goals for your session, like completing one chapter or solving 5 problems, will keep you focused and motivated. A brief power nap of 20 to 30 minutes before starting can also significantly boost your alertness. To sustain your focus, implement the Pomodoro technique, studying for 45 to 60 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. During these short breaks, stand up, stretch, or walk around to get your blood flowing. Staying well hydrated with water is crucial, but avoid sugary drinks or too much caffeine, as they can cause an energy crash. Opt for light snacks if you need to eat, rather than heavy meals that can make you feel sluggish. Maximize your learning by tackling your most difficult subjects or tasks at the beginning of your late-night session, when your cognitive abilities are at their peak. Don't just passively read. Actively engage with the material by summarizing concepts in your own words or quizzing yourself. Utilize visual aids, diagrams, and different colored pens to make notes more memorable. Breaking down larger assignments into smaller, achievable steps will also help maintain momentum and prevent overwhelm. As your late-night study session concludes, it's vital to wind down properly. Aim to stop studying at least 30 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. During this time, avoid screens and stimulating activities. Instead, engage in relaxing routines like reading a physical book or listening to calming music. Prepare your study space for the next day to minimize morning stress. Finally, ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool to promote deep, restorative sleep.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.